Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us think about, mustache waxing. We're going to explore the ins and outs of achieving a smooth, hair-free upper lip right in the comfort of your own home. It's a simple yet effective way to get that smooth, flawless skin we all desire. We'll break down the process, making it easy and approachable for everyone. Now let's be real. Upper lip fuzz is totally normal. It's a natural part of being human, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with embracing it. But if you want a cleaner canvas for makeup, perhaps to achieve a more seamless foundation application, or if you just love the feeling of silky smooth skin and prefer a hair-free look, waxing is a fantastic option to consider. It's a method that offers longer-lasting results compared to other hair removal techniques. The magic of waxing lies in the fact that it pulls hair from the root, ensuring a smoother finish that lasts. This means you get to enjoy weeks of smoothness without the need for daily maintenance. Imagine the freedom. That's right, weeks of smooth skin instead of just a day or two with shaving. It's a game changer. Plus, with consistent waxing, regrowth is often finer and softer, making the process even more appealing over time. The hair becomes less coarse and noticeable. It's a small step that makes a big difference, not just in your appearance, but also in your confidence. And let's not forget how much easier it is to apply foundation when you have a smooth, hair-free surface. Makeup glides on effortlessly. I totally get it. I was nervous my first time too. The idea of ripping hair out can sound a bit intimidating, but trust me, with the right tools, the proper technique, and a little guidance, it becomes much less daunting. In fact, it's easy to master with a little practice. You'll be a pro in no time. Plus, waxing at home is empowering. There's something satisfying about taking control of your own beauty routine. And the best part? It saves you time and money compared to salon visits. Think of all the things you can do with those extra dollars. Today, I'll show you everything you need to know from start to finish. We'll cover all the essential supplies so you know exactly what to have on hand. I'll provide you with clear, step-by-step instructions to ensure you're doing everything correctly. And of course, I'll share my best tips for a relatively painless experience. Comfort is key. We'll cover prepping your skin to minimize irritation and maximize the effectiveness of the wax. Then, we'll get into the actual waxing process step by step. And finally, we'll discuss aftercare to soothe your skin and prevent any unwanted bumps or redness. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident and ready to take on the world, one smooth upper lip at a time. You'll have all the knowledge and skills you need to tackle that upper lip fuzz with ease. Get ready to reveal smooth, beautiful skin that you'll be proud to show off. Ready to get started? Let's do this. I'm so excited to guide you through this process. So grab your tea, get comfy in your favorite spot, and let's walk through this together, step by step. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Think of me as your beauty bestie, your personal guide to achieving that smooth, flawless look. I'll be guiding you every step of the way, offering tips and tricks to make the process as smooth and comfortable as possible. Together, we're about to make waxing a breeze. You'll wonder why you didn't try this sooner. You'll be amazed at how easy and effective it can be, and how much you'll love the results. So let's jump in and start your journey to smoothness. Get ready to say goodbye to upper lip fuzz and hello to radiant skin. Here we go. Let the waxing adventure begin. So what exactly waxing? It's a question many have asked, and the answer might surprise you. We're not just talking about any hair removal method, we're diving into a technique that offers longer-lasting results and a smoother finish. It's a hair removal method, a process that goes beyond the surface to tackle the root of the problem, quite literally. It works by pulling hair out from the root using warm wax. This isn't just any wax, it's specially formulated to adhere to the hair, allowing for effective removal. The warmth helps to open up the pores, making the process a little less uncomfortable. Unlike shaving, which just cuts hair at the surface, leaving stubble behind within a day or two, waxing gives you longer-lasting smoothness. We're talking weeks, not days, of silky, hair-free skin. The best part? You can do it at home, transforming your bathroom into your personal spa. That means no salon appointments, no awkwardness, and complete control over your environment. You can do it in your pajamas with your favorite music playing. It's cost-effective too. Think about all the money you'll save on salon visits. One kit can last for months, depending on how often you wax and the areas you're treating. This ultimately saving you money over time. Those savings can really add up. Waxing weakens hair follicles, which is a key benefit that often gets overlooked. Because of this weakening, regrowth is often finer and sparser. You might even notice that some hairs stop growing back altogether. With regular waxing, you may notice less hair over time, and the hair that does grow back is often much softer. It's a long-term solution for smoother skin, offering benefits that extend far beyond just hair removal. At-home waxing puts you in control of your beauty routine, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs and preferences. You decide when and how to do it, fitting it into your schedule without having to work around salon hours. There's a real sense of accomplishment in mastering this skill, knowing you can achieve professional quality results in the comfort of your own home. These little acts of self-care build confidence, reminding you that you're capable and in charge of your own well-being. You're learning to trust yourself and your abilities, developing a stronger sense of self-reliance. Ready to become your own esthetician? It's easier than you think, and the rewards are well worth the effort. Let's get started. It's time to unlock the secrets to smooth, confident skin. Here's what you'll need to embark on your at-home waxing journey. Let's gather your supplies for a smooth waxing session. You'll need hard wax, gentle for the upper lip, and a wax warmer to melt it. Small wooden spatulas help you apply wax precisely. Use a pre-wax cleanser to clean your skin and help the wax grip hair. After waxing, use post-wax oil to remove residue and soothe skin. Keep aloe vera gel or a calming lotion handy for redness. Cotton pads are great for applying products, and tweezers help with any stray hairs. Don't forget a mirror, preferably magnifying, for accuracy. Having everything ready makes the process stress-free. With this kit, you'll feel prepared and confident. Let's move on to the step-by-step guide. You're all set. Alright, beauty enthusiasts, it's showtime! Time for the main event. We're diving headfirst into the world of waxing, and today, we're focusing on achieving that flawlessly smooth upper lip. Get ready to say goodbye to unwanted hair, and hello to a fresh, confident you. Here's how to wax your upper lip step by step. We've broken down the process into easy-to-follow steps, ensuring a smooth and successful waxing experience. Follow along closely and you'll be a pro in no time. Start by cleansing your skin with a pre-wax cleanser. This is a crucial step to remove any oils, makeup, or impurities that could interfere with the wax's grip. A clean surface ensures the wax adheres properly to the hair, leading to a more effective and less painful experience, and patting it dry. Make sure your skin is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Moisture can prevent the wax from adhering correctly, so take your time and ensure a thorough drying process. Dust a little cornstarch or pre-wax powder to absorb any remaining moisture. This creates a barrier between the skin and the wax, further enhancing the wax's ability to grip the hairs effectively. It also helps to minimize irritation and discomfort during the waxing process. Think of it as your skin's best friend during waxing. Melt your hard wax until it's the consistency of thick honey. The right consistency is key for optimal results. If the wax is too runny, it won't grab the hairs properly. If it's too thick, it will be difficult to apply and could cause unnecessary pain. Now, this is super important. Test the temperature on your wrist. You want the wax to be warm enough to spread easily, but not so hot that it burns your skin. Safety first, always. A small dab on your wrist will give you a good indication of whether the temperature is just right. Using a small spatula, apply wax in the direction of hair growth, working in small sections. Applying in the direction of hair growth ensures that the wax encapsulates each hair properly. Small sections allow for better control and minimize discomfort. Make a thicker edge at the end for an easy pull tab. This little trick will make the removal process much smoother and less painful. A good grip is essential for a quick and effective pull. Let the wax cool for about 30-60 seconds until firm. This allows the wax to harden and grip the hairs tightly. You'll know it's ready when it's no longer sticky to the touch but still pliable. Hold your skin taut, grip the pull tab. This is key to minimizing discomfort and ensuring a clean pull. Taut skin provides resistance, allowing the wax to remove the hairs more efficiently, and remove the wax quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth, parallel to the skin. Speed is your friend here. A swift, decisive pull is less painful than a slow, hesitant one, and pulling parallel to the skin helps prevent irritation and ingrown hairs. Press your hand on the area right after to soothe the sting. This provides immediate relief and helps to calm the skin. The pressure helps to minimize redness and inflammation. Repeat on the other side in the center if needed. Remember to work in small sections for best results. Patience is key. Use tweezers for any missed hairs. Tweezers are your best friend for those stubborn hairs that the wax might have missed. Precision is key here. Clean off any residue with post-wax oil. This will not only remove any lingering wax but also soothe and moisturize the skin. Post-wax oil is a must-have for preventing irritation and promoting healing. That's it, you've done it. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've successfully waxed your upper lip. Take a moment to admire your smooth skin. Feel that silky texture. It's all thanks to your hard work and dedication. Practice makes perfect, so don't stress if it's not flawless the first time. Every waxing session is a learning experience. Don't be discouraged by minor imperfections. With each session, you'll get better and more confident. Soon, you'll be a waxing master, achieving salon-worthy results in the comfort of your own home. Ready for some pro tips? We're about to share some insider secrets that will take your waxing game to the next level. Let's make waxing even easier, because who doesn't love a shortcut to flawless skin? Worried about pain? Here's how to make waxing more comfortable. Avoid waxing right before or during your period. Skin is more sensitive then. Skip caffeine and alcohol beforehand to reduce sensitivity. Hair should be about a 1/4 inch long. Trim if needed. Pull the wax strip off quickly and confidently, parallel to the skin. Take a deep breath and exhale as you pull. Create a relaxing atmosphere. Play music, light a candle, treat it as self-care. A positive mindset makes a big difference. Remember, the discomfort is brief, but the smooth results last for weeks. Stay relaxed and trust the process. You've got this. Now let's talk about avoiding common mistakes. Even with prep, things can go wrong. Here's how to avoid common issues. Redness is normal. Avoid makeup, perfumes, and exfoliants for 24 hours. Clean hands, tools, and skin prevent breakouts. Don't touch the area after waxing. Skip workouts and saunas right after to avoid irritation. Don't re-wax the same spot. Use tweezers for missed hairs. For sticky residue, use post-wax oil or a gentle carrier oil. Be gentle and patient with your skin. Let's move on to soothing aftercare. After waxing, aftercare is key for happy skin. Remove wax residue with oil, then apply soothing aloe vera gel. Chilled is best. For 24 hours, avoid hot showers, saunas, and sun exposure. Use lukewarm water to wash your face. Protect your upper lip from the sun with a hat if needed. Once redness fades, gently exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to prevent ingrown hairs. Use a mild chemical exfoliant or gentle scrub. Keep the area moisturized with a fragrance-free lotion. Hydrated skin heals faster and stays smooth. Consistent aftercare makes future waxing easier. Your skin will thank you. Now, is home waxing right for you? At-home waxing isn't for everyone. Check your skin type and health first. If you have sensitive skin, eczema, or rosacea, consult a dermatologist before waxing. Stop using retinoids or strong exfoliants a week before waxing to avoid skin damage. Avoid waxing if you're on oral acne meds, blood thinners, or have diabetes. Ask your doctor first. Consider your pain tolerance and patience. It takes practice. If you prefer, leave it to a professional. There's no shame in that. The goal is to feel good in your skin. Choose what works best for you. Safety and comfort come first. Ready for your final pep talk? You've learned everything from supplies to aftercare. Now it's your turn. Do a patch test first to check for reactions. Start small, wax a tiny section to build confidence. Each try gets easier and better. Make it a self-care ritual. Play music, light a candle, enjoy the process. The smooth skin and makeup results are so worth it. You're now ready to be your own waxing expert. Trust yourself and the process. You're capable of more than you think. Try it when you're ready. I'm cheering you on. Leave questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay beautiful.